Welcome back, guys. Let's solve this question quickly. It says root x plus x is equal to 8. How do we solve this? Now, first thing I do is to move x to the right hand side. So I would have square root of x is equal to 8. When a positive sign crosses over, it becomes negative x. Alright? Now, my next approach to this question would be to eliminate the square root sign. And how do I do this? I do this by raising both sides to the power of 2. So I have this raised to the power of 2, and this side I will raise it to the power of 2. Root x raised to the power of 2 is root x times root x, which is x. And this is equal to 8 minus x all squared. Now it's time to expand this. 8 squared is 64 minus 8 times s is 8x times 2 is 16x minus x squared is plus x squared. Now, finally, I would have x squared minus 16x plus 64 is equal to x. Now, if I move x to this side, I have x squared minus 16x minus x plus 64 is equal to 0. Invariably, I have x squared minus 17x plus 64 is equal to 0. From here, I can apply the quadratic formula in solving and finding the values of x, and this will be equal to minus b, so minus this is plus 17, plus or minus square root of minus 17 all squared is 289 minus 4ac is minus 4 into 64 times 1 all over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. This is equal to 17 plus or minus square root of 289 minus 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times this is 25, okay, all over 2. Alright, what we have from there is now that this becomes equal to 17 plus or minus 289 minus 256 is 33 all over 2. Hence, x is equal to 17 plus 33 all over 2, or 17 minus 33 roots all over 2. These are the answers to this question.